This dog was gonna get put down for being too aggressive, but a miracle happened and the dog became loving again. See, this dog was homeless in dire condition and was stranded at the bottom of a well. It got rescued and grew up with a baby, and the baby turned out to be best friends with the puppy. But one day, the baby started choking on a Lego and the dog couldn't save the baby passed away, and the dog was scarred forever. When people tried to play with the dog constantly snapped and got mad at anyone who got close to it. But another baby was born and the dog felt a sense of comfort and became positive again, didn't have to get put down.